So let's say, for example, you're looking to take that Ethereum and now swap into a token that is going to be a lesser known altcoin. I'm not going to be able to show you all of the decentralized apps, but I'm going to show you the most popular way of doing this. You're going to click all the way here at the bottom right, and then you have the swap option in the middle, and this is going to allow you to now swap. So this is going to let you swap from Ethereum to other assets. We have $40 available. So if we click here on the 2 at the bottom, we can now see all of these different assets we can swap into. So for example, Aerodrome, that's a popular altcoin. It's on the Base network. It's one I'm also familiar with. So I'm going to go ahead and swap a little bit over into that for demo purposes. So let's say out of your 40 available, we want to take $20 US and swap it into Aero on Base. We would enter it just like this. Click on the continue button, and then we have this final screen here that's going to show us what our fees would look like. We're going to pay about 20 cents as a fee to Coinbase, about a 1 cent network fee, and then if everything looks good, we can swap. It's now swapping in real time for us, and we get a check just like that, and then we can click here on done, and just like that, we have now taken half of our Ethereum that came over and switched it over into Aerodrome Finance. So if you want to use this to swap into tokens that are on the Base network, it's going to be really easy, and if you want to swap into other tokens, you might have to leverage the decentralized apps, which are going to be listed over here, for example.